Hey everyone, welcome back to G Culture Pattern. In today's tutorial, I will guide you step by step to sew this beautiful kurti set using our latest sewing pattern. Let's get started. First, take the neck pattern and trace it onto your canvas. Now mark a 1-inch border around the neckline and cut it out. This will be your facing piece. Repeat this for both the front and back necklines. Stick the canvas onto the fabric. Remember, one side of the canvas is glue backed. Cut the fabric leaving an extra 1 inch at the bottom. Now fold and hem the lower edge of the neckline facing, trim off the excess to get a clean neckline shape. Place the prepared facing onto the neckline of the kurti. Sew around the neckline with a half-inch seam allowance. Clip small notches around the curve, then turn it inside out. You can either top stitch it for a neat finish or do hand hemming. With the neckline done, sew both shoulder seams together. Take your sleeve pieces, hem the sleeve bottom first by folding half an inch, then again by 0.75 inches and sew it down. Attach the sleeves to the armholes. This gives your kurti the perfect shape. Now from the shoulder point, mark 20 inches down on both sides. This will be your open slit area. Sew from the sleeve hem to the marked 20-inch point on both sides. Double fold and sew the side slits neatly, then hem the front and back bottom of the kurti using a double fold method for a clean finish. In our last video, I promised a free anarkali sewing pattern to one lucky person who commented, and now it's time to announce the winner. Congratulations to @DLA Educator, you have been randomly selected. Please DM us on Instagram or email us to claim your free pattern. Let's move on to the pants now. You will have 2 front and 2 back pieces. I am using a gusset for added comfort. If you are skipping the gusset, just place the front pieces right sides together and sew the crotch. If you are using the gusset, attach it first to one side then the other as shown. Now join the front and back pieces at the sides and sew the inseam. Hem the pants by folding half an inch first, then another 1 or 1.5 inches depending on your preference. Finally, sew the sides and attach your waistband with elastic. I have added a detailed video on how to sew the waistband. Check the description below. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to win the free pattern for this kurti set, just comment "I want one" below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and join our private community on Insta for exclusive dressmaking tips and invites. See you in the next video.